Welcome. In this video, we'll be finding the derivative of the following function. h of x equals x squared plus 1 over x minus 2. So we need to find h prime of x. So for this case, I suggest you use the quotient rule. The quotient rule. So we're going to let the top part equal to f of x, and then the bottom part we're going to leave it as g of x. So then the derivative h prime of x of h prime is the derivative h prime of x is going to be equal to f prime of x times g of x minus g of x, minus g prime of x, and then we can do multiply by f of x, and then we're going to divide the whole thing by g of x, and then we're going to square it. Okay, so we need to find the derivative, the derivative of f prime of x. So what's the derivative of x squared plus 1? That's going to be equal to 2x. That's going to be equal to 2x. And then that will multiply by g of x. G of x is x minus 2. Then we do minus f of x, that's x squared minus plus 1. And then the derivative of g of x is 1. Then we divide it by x minus 2 squared. So now let's simplify a little bit. So the top part will multiply 2x times x, that's going to be equal to 2x squared. And then 2x minus 2, that's going to be minus 4x. And then we distribute the negative, so it's going to be negative x squared minus 1 all over x minus 2 squared. So now 2x squared minus x squared, that's going to be equal to x squared minus 4x minus 1. Now we can leave it as x minus 2 squared, but we can actually expand it. So we can do it as follows. We can leave it as x minus 2 squared, or we can actually expand it to simplify even further. So it will be x squared minus 4x minus 1 all over x squared minus 4x, so plus 4. Now I cannot do, you can see that we cannot do any more simplification on top or bottom. So this will be our final answer. So x squared minus 4x minus 1 over x squared minus 4x plus 4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment.